Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another live video tutorial today. We are on a series of card designs. These are on page 22 of the annual catalog. So I've been working my way through all these designs. And today we are going to do this one. It's the top row, third from the right. And if you can see this one right here, it has lots of little strips on the card base and then a circle. So what I went ahead and did is just grabbed all of my brights. So I'm using a basic black, I have a hard time saying that, basic black background. And I thought these brights would pop really well on this background. So let's fold our card base in half. And I've got a piece of white for the inside. We'll do that in a minute. So with these strips, these are 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. So my card's 5 1/2, and I have 10 strips at 1/2 inch each. So that's 5 inches of card front, top to bottom. And so that gives me a 1/4 inch on top and bottom, and then 3 3/4, but for the width, but we're going to be staggering these. So I don't know which order we're going to put them in. We're just going to get started. So I think for the top one, I'm just going to use my adhesive. I'm going to put this one right kind of in the center. So this gives me a 1/4 inch on each side, just kind of a guide. Trying to get it fairly straight. And then we're going to just start taking these and putting them down. Now we can do that. We could do this. I'm going to do some of that. We're just going to go straight down there. And then just start, let's do orange. Ooh, I gotta sneeze, look out. Excuse me. Let's go over. Let's go a little bit here. And we'll do a yellow. Now, hopefully my math is correct. We'll see. I feel like I might be short, but I pulled one extra color from my brights to be safe, or from my, what is it? I think this will be good. And this is the, what color is that? That is Melon Mambo. Probably should have come down a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna go with that because that's a little bit shorter, or a little bit more on the bottom. Let's just trim it up. We can make our card a little shorter. We'll open it up and just trim off maybe 1/8 of an inch. It doesn't matter. There we go. Problem solved. Right? Problem solved. Okay. So I'm going to do a circle as shown on there, and we're going to do, let's see, the stamp set I'm using is Round We Go. I'm going to do Happiest Birthday to You. So I've already got them on my block, and we are going to heat emboss with white embossing powder. So we have our new Wow embossing powders back in stock. Okay, I'm just going to use my embossing buddy on that. Oh, I know, I was going to get some embellishments, which I forgot. I'll get those in a minute. Okay, we'll just stamp this right here in the middle with some Versamark. Then we'll use our white embossing powder. Tap off the extra. And let's heat that. was starting to heat and I smeared it. That's okay. Okay, there was a little grain of embossing powder, but I do have a little sand eraser, and that will take that off right there. Never knew it was there. Okay, now you can die cut this. I have the 1 3/4 inch circle punch. This is in our online exclusives. Love circle punches, so nice and easy. We're just going to pop that up. Got a new sheet of dimensionals here. It's always fun. It's always fun to get a new sheet, but really satisfying when you finish up an old one. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Let's see, I have some gems, or I know what I want to use. I wanted to use some of these. These are iridescent adhesive back circles. I have, gosh, I have a lot of these in different, in different configurations. Let's see. Let's grab our pick tool, and let's just add a couple of these. And we'll do one of these pink ones, maybe right here. Maybe a white. I really like the white ones. And what else we have? We have red. And what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What color are we missing? The blue. We'll throw that up there. And you know what? You could just add a whole bunch more if you want. I'm going to do one more white. We're going to just do a sprinkle kind of going up to the top. Let's do maybe another, what color is this sticking on me? We'll put that one up there. Oh, that looks cute, like confetti coming down. And then we have our inside sentiment. We've got a piece of white. We'll use some memento, and then we'll do time to celebrate. Oh, I was going to do something else. Maybe it's not too late. I completely forgot. I had in the stamp set, and I've already put my embellishments on. We'll see if we can do it. We have this little kind of star pattern, and I was going to just do Versamark on here. Let's see if we can just add a little bit of that. And as it dries, it will give us a little bit of texture. I'm just going to throw one right there. A little bit of texture of those little sparkles going up. It's a Versamark pad, which is also a watermark pad. So you can use this on any color to get a light tone-on-tone texture. So it's as it dries, it darkens up a little bit. I don't know if you can see it there, but I'm starting to see it. It just takes a few seconds to dry. All right. Let's just add this in here. There we go. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Great way to use scraps. Love using my scraps. So I hope you enjoyed the project today. Check back on Saturday. I've got another one. We've got 3 this week. And then it looks like we may have 1 or 2 more weeks left, and then we will have gone through all 20 of our card layouts. So thanks for stopping by. I would love to have your order. With every $50 of merchandise this month, you get a $5 coupon to use next month, and I will send you a free gift in the mail. So who doesn't want free stuff? I know everybody wants free stuff. So thanks so much for stopping by today, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.